Here's a Remington Model 7 typewriter, made about 1910, I think. Here's the keyboard. I took the keys off and I redid them. I have the tools to take the keys off, so I just took them off and I cleaned the keys up real nice. Got all the crud and crap off. I put a little dab of red paint in there for the red on the ribbon, which I just have a solid 1 and like a ½ inch black in it right now. Something like that. I replaced the feed rollers with one from another one because these are in pretty good condition. The others were just smashed. I had some issues like for the spacing, that was messed up, so I had to replace that little part. It works pretty good. I don't want to move it on my desk particularly. Let's look at the serial number. It's serial number 213,857. So it's not, I don't think it's that early, but I'll get a piece of paper in it here in a minute. Yeah, look at this. Right here, the paint was all nasty. I tried scrubbing it, soap, everything. Like it was like grimy like that. Nothing would take it off. So I took a little bit of steel wool, lightly scrubbed it. The paint looks great now. I don't know why. When I got it, the guy from eBay didn't pack it correctly. He just set it in the box and a few pieces of bubble wrap, that was it. This carriage bar here got hit so hard there, broke it right off. Snapped these screws here underneath that you can take the carriage off with. It broke the paper release, whatever this thing is, I don't know what that does. And some other various things, although the frame didn't break, so of course I had to buy another machine to fix this one up. This one works pretty good. Let me get a piece of paper in it real quick. Okay, got paper in it. There you got your shift. What I like about the early Remingtons is, you shift here, go to capitals, but then you flip this switch, you're in capitals, shift to lowercase. That's what I like about these. And you lift up, and then you see what you typed. And then click up, hold that up, release, return carriage. And with this model, when you're building, the keys don't lock like on other models, because this one's so early. You can see Model 7. Like there used to be some like pinstriping in a square form. You can kind of see it, but they've mostly faded away now. There's a mechanism. I had to put a tighter spring in to get it to the machine to function properly. And all these little arms and stuff back in there, down here, those are all made of wood. Let's look, you can see some wooden parts underneath. So this is a pretty early typewriter. Okay, that's the video.